Well, you see it in live action, Chris, compared to some people don't see it all. Wow, you guys, to be honestly in Washington and see another fellow SRT4 that has a custom, one-of-a-kind, wide-body kit, alright? I've never seen anything like this before. And you guys know me, I'm a carbon fiber fanatic. I love the whole front-end ordeal when it comes to carbon fiber. This is Chris May's 2003, same year as mine, SRT4, fully built. It's basically a 2.6 DCR stroker motor. Fully tucked, it's in the works. Everything is a process, you guys, y'all know that. It is fully shaved by his father. If you guys are not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good? This is one dusty car, it's been sitting around. It's a long process build, just like mine was. Not as long as mine, but there's probably a lot more money into it, in my opinion, and it's a lot cleaner, in my opinion, just because of the fact that you guys love my car, but I'm just like, it's fucking dirty. But let's get into this video. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Skittlefabz. I'm out in Eastern Washington, and you got my boy Chris May over here, which is the hoarder of neons here in Eastern Washington. Now, if you guys haven't seen that video, top right of the screen or in the description, I'll leave the link to one of these videos that I've done this past weekend because there's been so many. We're sitting here with his 2003 Dodge Neon SRT-4, and if you guys haven't seen the most recent video where he basically went over the exterior and the engine bay, top right of the screen, go check that video out, then come back here or go check the video out at the end of the video and smash that like button. Don't forget that. Chris, how long have you been working on this car?
This has been a 4-year build. Went hard on it for the first couple of years. Made a couple of dyno outings.
Already blew the motor.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, but you know,
we're trying to break records.
Yeah, this guy's a record breaker. I'm over here just, I don't know, putting money into a car. But when you guys see this motor, like up close and personal, it is beautiful. It is way cleaner than mine when mine was finished. So I don't know how you do it to keep it that clean, but this garage, you guys, look at this garage. It's SRT garage. Like, if I had something like this, my videos would be that much better.
You know, as a stereotech, clean tools.
Yeah,
clean
man.
area.
I'm a very clean, sterile individual. I like things clean, and I'm telling you, man.
You can come out and work on your car in a white t-shirt.
Yeah, and you keep it clean. You're like me. We keep our hands dirty. And I don't know how you keep it clean, man. Maybe it's because you take your time and you have a spot that you call home, you know what I mean? Where I was working out of garages. But what type of body kit is this? I know earlier you told me that it's one of one, and you had a choice between this carbon fiber or what,
Just a full fiberglass kit,
fiberglass?
exactly the same. Yeah, at the time they were out of stock. So the option was take the carbon fiber upgrade for free.
Yeah.
K1, wide body.
For those of you that are watching, that is an emblem of the elephant.
The little hell.
The little elephant. But for those of you that are interested in following him on Instagram, it's 509 Firecracker. And he does post up, not as often as I do, but he definitely puts work in, and he is also a huge SRT fanatic, like myself and all the other people that I put on my channel and that I pretty much chill with. But this is fully set up for this parachute. It's a Whitfield cage. And how much did you say you paid for it? A lot of money, right?
$1,800 shipped to the house.
But I will say it's nice because he has the removable bars to get in and out. And he also has the window nets. So he has the bars right here.
And the chute release.
And these ones, right, too?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, you pull those out and then the net pulls up, right?
Yep.
Yeah. He also has a Wildwood stage and brake made by BWR. That is not installed yet, just like a bunch of other parts that are in here just sitting around. I'll get to that in a little bit. But he even has that for the parachute, which is dope. He has the airbag delete and a Hirsch shifter. And what's the button for?
Just for any accessories that we want to add, maybe nitrous.
And you have the Turbo Toys package right
Dial
there.
Boost, intercooler.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
100 octane mode. Of course, we're not running 100 octane.
Yeah, and you guys, this guy has many parts. So, like I said earlier, go check out the video. We went to go see his parts yard. You can see that he is very SRT fanatic. So like I said, go follow him on Instagram. Look at this. He has parts that like you normally don't see. He has more stock turbos in his SRT graveyard, junkyard, parts yard thingy over there that I've never seen before. He also bought a TA50 stud kit from me a while back, roughly a year ago, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So he converted this powder coated TA50 transmission over to my TA50 stud kit. Now I had the opportunity to make a video on how I put my gear set into the transmission. I explained it, didn't show you step by step, and hopefully I'll have some video footage, maybe, I don't know. He's got the garage of a YouTuber. This is what I need. This is what I crave. How many SRTs did you count just a little while ago you got total?
We have 12 in-house right now.
On this property. And then you got a few other places.
Others,
and you probably might go ahead and buy another one in the fucking
if you got
week or
one,
so.
let me know.
He wants to start rebuilding them trannies, and so we'll have some on stock on the shelf.
That's what I'm saying, you guys. This dude saved me the other day at Renegade Speedway. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a gas tank. Because he is the parts guy, the hoarder of Washington SRT4s. You guys need parts, this guy has it. If you want to sell your SRT4, this guy will probably buy it. Canada too, just like he said. And this is an STI wing on the back of this PVO stock trunk. So if you guys are wondering what type of spoiler that is, what year off?
08, I believe.
08?
06, 08.
And this is the carbon fiber rear bumper that comes with the kit. And you just recently bought what from Modern Performance? Would you just show me? Would you just show me in the box?
The rear diffuser?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have one. Hiding.
Oh, what is that? Somebody just said, can you 3D print that to Cars Deluxe Design? Because people are still looking for those.
We need some more suppliers.
Nothing like the original texture. But behind there, you guys, you got the brand new Mpx Diffuser, just like I have on mine. And he was lucky enough to actually get one of the last few that they have in stock. Because we all know, Modern Performance, Dodge, they like to discontinue things and then sometimes come out with those parts that are wanted and needed. Like, okay, so the rear bumper diffuser, that's a want. The input shaft bearing tube, that's a need. Modern Performance sometimes back orders those, but eventually the parts that we need to keep these cars alive will be here. If not, we got this guy. He has a carbon fiber Mopar valve cover. I'm not even sure if it's in good working condition, but I wouldn't run one unless it was just a show. But this is a rare commodity part. Discontinued, very rare. Now, there's probably a few of you that are looking at those and just being like, wow, where did he get those? And I asked him the same thing. So, where did you get those?
We got them triple chrome dipped out of Phoenix, Arizona. Cody Scree.
Now, you planning on ever wrapping them?
I don't know. They're clean. They're one of a kind.
Yeah, they are. And you don't ever see non-scraped up wheels. And did you ever have them balanced before you did this?
He had them checked out for any bends, dents.
So they do that in-house, or they have somebody?
They do.
Yeah.
One of them he needed to fix.
Oh, the inside
The
barrel?
inside barrels. We've reflushed up and machined the back sides to guarantee
Wow.
that there's no wobble.
Wow. That is a beautiful, beautiful job. Yeah. Yeah. So he has the other 3 in the box. The only reason that one is out, more or less display. One of a kind body kit you will never ever see unless you come to Washington and go to a car show, if he ever brings it. But this is a garage clean, just like mine was for 7 years. The interior is a little dirty because, like I said, dust accumulation, and Washington definitely has a lot of dust over in the east side because it's like desert life. Yeah, it really is. It gets hot. And if you guys have seen some of my videos, you guys know I complain about the hotness, the heat, the humidity, the dryness. Left and right, Lexi and I need to go to the gas station to get water.